Today we're putting together a trio of succulents. They are all a little different, so let's get started with the small succulent. You're going to finger press the biggest piece, which is our base piece. Then hot glue each little single petal right at the triangle cut, and then glue those together. You will have 6 in total of these. Hot glue each of these little petals down to the base, and then finger press the smallest succulent piece and glue it to the center. Finally, create the stem by first gluing the skinniest 2 pieces together. Open up the top pieces and also add glue and place at the bottom of the succulent. All done. Next, we're going to put together the single succulent. There is a circle to use as your base, and we're going to glue together all the different leaves by making them 3D right at that triangle, okay? This includes all large, medium, and small leaves. Then start gluing the largest leaves to the circle of the base. Don't worry if you can't fit all of them into a perfect circle. Just work your way around largest to smallest until you've used up all the leaves. Then finger press the smallest trio leaf sets and glue them into the center. Finally, finish with the stem, made exactly the same way as our small succulent. We're going to glue together the skinny parts first, and then we're going to open up the top and glue to the underside of the succulent. Okay, finally, we are going to put together the thick succulent. First, glue together all the leaves so that they are 3D, so that same triangle piece, we're going to glue those together. Then glue the outer edges of the succulent down. Then take the leaves that do not have a triangle cut in them, and we're going to roll them up. Glue them as you roll them together to form the center of the succulent. Then glue the rest of the leaves to the center. This may be a little uneven, but it will look more organic this way. Finally, finish with the stem. Glue together those skinny parts again, and then open up the top and glue to the underside of the succulent. And that is your trio of succulents. These are so cool because of the stem. You can place this like in a bowl of rocks or stones, or group them together in a vase, and they will stay in better shape, and they'll sit upright. I hope you enjoyed, and these are available in our May 2023 Ink Club bundle if you are looking for them. So go check it out either at karinagardner.com or download the Ink Club app either in Google Play or the App Store to grab this.